Welcome to this video. This is Mathematics 1100. We're going to be solving quiz 1 for 2021. So the first question it says, question 1a. In the Venn diagram below, shade the set A intersection B complement union B intersection C. So let's write the Venn diagram here. So this is the Venn diagram. So this is B, and this is C, and this is A. So as you can see, this means that this A here is a subset of C. So shading this one, A intersection B complement. B complement just means the values that are not found in B. So the values that are not found in B are here, are in C and A, but not where they intersect B and C. That is B complement. Now where do they intersect with A? So as you can see, where they intersect with A is just the A part. That's where they intersect. So let's shade this one using a red color for A intersection B complement. So you are going to shade here. This is for A intersection B complement. Then the next one is saying union B intersection C. So where does B and C intersect? B and C. So it's just this part here. Okay, let's use the green color so that they are different. So this is the part that we have to shade. Yeah, so that's how you shade for this one. A intersection B complement union B intersection C. So that's all. 4 marks for this one here. So let's go to the next question, which is B. So the next question is saying, in the Venn diagram below, shade the set A complement intersection C minus B. So this is question 1. Second part. So this is the Venn diagram that is given here. Let's draw it like this. So we also have A here. It's a subset of this one. So this is C. This is A here. This is B. And the question is saying A complement has to intersect with C minus B. So C minus B just means C intersection B complement. So let's write it here. So C minus B is this one. C intersection B complement. So what is C intersection B complement? What B complement is just here where the B is not found. So in C, except where they intersect with B and C. So it's this part here. That's B complement. This is the part here where you found A and C, but not including where the B and C are intersecting. That's the B complement. Now, where does B complement intersect with the C? B complement intersect with the C. So meaning this is the whole part here. That's where they intersect with the C, the B complement. So let's shade it. Let's use red color. So B complement, those not found in B. So the values that are not found in B, we say it's this part here. Now, where does this part intersect with the C? So that is, we just shade this whole part here. This is the part that we have shaded. Shade this one. Yeah. So this is the part for C intersection B complement. Now, where does this part again intersect with the A complement? So A complement is just this part here, except in A, in this side. You just remove A complement. So you have this part in C outside A, and also the part for B. That's the A complement. So now where does this part here intersect with the A complement? So meaning it's just here outside A, but not going to B here since it doesn't intersect here. So let's use a green color now to shade the final answer. Okay, let's use the yellow color for the final answer. So this is the part that we need to shade. This is the part that we need to shade for the final answer. Yeah. So the yellow part, that's where the final answer is for A complement intersection C minus B. So that's all for this one here. Let's go to the next